Hello everyone. What I have today is a Cisa or Cisa model 22040. There's our key bitting. Lock's brand new, just got it in from eBay. Let's go ahead and pick it. Now the only thing that really offers any challenge with this lock is the keyway. Top of the keyway tension doesn't work too well, and bottom of the keyway leaves us very little room. Like, if you look at how shallow that hook is, I think I actually bent that straight. It didn't come that way. But I'm gonna go in there, try to get my false set, find the pin. There we go. We got our false set, so I'm gonna switch to the Peterson's. I believe that's the H1. Yeah, the hook one. Now these are all spools, so first spool, second spool, and where'd it go? Third spool. That's all there is to it. These little Cisa locks or Cisa. Somebody correct me on that. I don't know. I've heard both pronunciations. It is shimmable. If you can see in there, it's not a ball bearing or anything. It is shimmable, but it's really tight, so it's kind of tough getting a shim in there. It doesn't come apart. It's, solid, non-removable core. But yeah, fun little lock. Not very difficult. You're really limited to shallower picks if you're going bottom of the keyway. Now if you're going from top of the keyway, you can actually get an 18 thousandths in there, enough to raise all the pins up. But I was having a tough time with top of the keyway with I've only got a couple of top of the keyway wrenches. But there you go. That's the Cisa 22040 picked. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you later and have a good night.